Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing one language and committing to it. This removes decision paralysis. Once chosen, install a lightweight editor in Git, then make your first repo. Start with a tiny, useful project, something you can finish in a day or two, to learn the loop of build, push, and fix. You'll get feedback faster this way. Make sure to write small tests or run manual checks. These habits become your foundation for larger work. Once you've shipped a tiny project, iterate deliberately. Split new features into short tasks and complete them one at a time. Contribute to open source by reading issue threads, picking a small bug, and submitting a focused pull request. This builds real-world context and feedback. Make sure to document each change, README updates, or a demo GIF so others can understand your work. These actions teach you collaboration, version control patterns, and how to communicate technical decisions clearly. Finish by polishing a small portfolio of 2 to 3 complete projects and publishing them with clear README. Practice a 60-second walkthrough for each project so you can explain your decisions in interviews. This shows how you think. When things go wrong, isolate the failure, revert to a known good state, and test one assumption at a time. If you still need help, ask a focused question with steps to reproduce. That's how mentors and reviewers can actually help you succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.